Hey everyone, I'm just going to provide a quick review of this InSinkErator Badger 900, and this is a food waste disposer, also known as a garbage disposal. I like this because even though I have a fairly large sink and I cook a fair amount, a lot of debris ends up going down the drain. And I previously had a smaller model of this, but this model is much stronger and can easily sort of chew through anything. So just a flip of a switch. So you can hear, that's powerful. And yeah, I've never had anything get stuck since I got this more powerful one. So one of the great perks of upgrading and getting this, this newer model.